can create a web link in our Microsoft Intune portal. So for this, how we can create an automated web link, guys, for this in our Intune portal, and where we will check that how we can manage it in our Intune portal through the use of our Intune Microsoft app. So for this, we will create a Intune portal. In that, I will create a web app. So I will go to the intune.microsoft.com. I will log in with my primary account with HMW subscription. Now, when I will go to Intune, I will go to here apps. So this is my Intune portal, which is intune.microsoft.com, as you can see. And now you'll follow the step-by-step procedure, guys. So here I will add an web app in Intune. So for this, we'll follow the step-by-step procedure. I will create an app here. The app type I will select. So here, guys, we have to ensure that in this agenda we have one Windows 10 device. So this Windows 10 device, whatever web app link we will add in our Intune portal, will check in our Windows 10 device by means of web browser, or we can create a standalone web link and access it by means of web browser in Windows 10 device. So for this, we have a standalone Windows 10 device, and here we will access it by means of Intune portal, guys. So let's create an app. So here we'll select the app type. Now, guys, as per the second step, we'll follow here the web link. So let's select the web link, guys. Here the web link will be there. Here is the web link, guys. So the app to create and add a web link, we can copy or paste the web URL into the app information. So selecting this, now here you can write an app name. So guys, here you can write a custom web link also, which you have our own website you can add, or you can create a and write a company portal, and from there you can download the company portal or URL of the web app you want users to access. So for this, you can keep the category as optional, or you can create it like it's a sports app, or entertainment app. So accordingly you can select the category. Now here we have created a simple app with a custom app web link. So I will add a custom app. I will write custom app, and here I will write custom app the same as the description. So here the custom app, and publication is also custom. Now here I will write the URL. So guys, here I will simply write my URL. I will be developing it tailor dot. This is my URL I will write, and I will show you this URL, which is basic standard websites. So here I will write a simple URL. Now it will ask you a question, require a managed browser to open this link. So managed browser means that you are selecting any browser apart from the Microsoft browser. So here any browser can be Google Chrome web browser, but in this device you will have a standalone Microsoft web browser, which is Edge, which is provided by Microsoft. So we will use only on the managed web browser. So I don't have any possibility to which I will select no, because I don't have any other type of browser. Suppose I don't have a Microsoft Edge in that case. So I will select here no. Okay. So because I can access by means of Google Chrome or a Mozilla Firefox or any Safari browser also I can use, or Opera Mini. So any type of browser I can use here. Now here I am not selecting yes or no, just keep it blank. Here you can also read if required. When a user opens the web app, it will open in Intune protected browser such as Microsoft Edge. So, or it's a Intune managed browser. So this setting applies to both iOS as well as Android device. Suppose you have an Android or iOS device. So here the browser will be protected by Intune. It means that even if I am enrolling a Windows 10 machine, so if I am opening the web app in our web link, this web link I am open it in Microsoft Edge browser, so that will be protected by Intune portal, guys. That is the only thing. So let's go ahead, and I will, if you want, I will select a yes, sir. So let's go yes, and category I will select like data management, or I can select our apps as well. So let's say the apps, and let's go here, show this feature in the company portal as a featured app if you want. So I select no here. If you want, you can obviously do that. If you want it as feature app, you can assign the logo for branding, web link to users, groups. Okay. So let's assign the web link to users. So these are the various steps. Information URL, if you want valid URL. So this information URL, when you install the company portal. So company portal is nothing. It's you can install from apps.microsoft.com. Here in my device, I will show you here the company portal will be there. So when I go to Microsoft Store, so here you will see the company portal. I have installed it in my Windows 11 machine when I have installed another VMs. So here company portal, guys. Here is the company portal. So this is a standalone portal. Here you will see the list of apps you will have would like to enroll it, and it will assign it by means of signing the users. If you want, so the recently published app, it will be seen here. So, but we have to set up a corporate means like you have to sync the device across the Intune portal in order to check it out. Or oldest app also I can see. So these are the list of apps which you provided by web link. So I am not entering here the information URL. Will be users privacy URL also I am not. Developer URL also I am not. And no image I am selecting. Suppose if I would like to wish to select a logo or image, then I can obviously select that. Let's say select the images. Suppose I will select the images here. Is here and click on OK. Then I go next. Now here the main part comes, guys. Now you have to assign a group. You have to add the users. So here required means that you want the app to install automatically on the enrolled devices. So device, suppose this Windows 10 device I have automatically enrolled, okay, in our Intel portal. And so that device I can easily add the group, or I can create a security group as well, guys. So for this, let's create a security group. I can add a group. So, or and this is available for enrolled devices. Means you want the group which you can which are displayed in the company portal only. That their devices only, or where the company portal is installed only for those users. We are installing the enrolled devices, so available only for the enrolled devices which are only in the company portal app. Okay. And this is available with or without enrollment. So this will allow us to select the app using the company portal as well as the website. We can give the option to users to optionally install without requiring the device to be enrolled. So that can also be managed. And the uninstall part, as you know, that we can select the group where you want to uninstall the app. Suppose now if I want to create a group, I can go ahead and create a new group for it so that I can add the user. So if I want, I can select my primary account to log in. And here let's go. Okay, suppose I want to create a group. These are all the dynamic groups I have created. One dynamic group I can see this is the autopilot Intune group. Let's create another group. I will select. Now here security group I am selecting, and here I will create it for custom app. Custom group I will create for apps. Custom group again. Custom GRP I will write the theme, and description as Microsoft Enter rules can be assigned to the group. Now if you select yes, then we will use this group to assign any specific roles. And the group eligibility, which can role assignment will be permanent. So I don't want Microsoft Enter roles can be assigned to this group. So what are those kind of Enter roles, guys? So Enter role groups, these are nothing but there are the list of users which we have enrolled. Suppose I have a user, let's say this is my Ramesh user. Suppose I will log into Windows 10 device with the Ramesh account, then I will be assigning the group membership to the entire users. And here I will use the dynamic device enrollment or dynamic user. Suppose it's a dynamic user, then I can obviously select the dynamic part. The name as dynamic, let's say custom app. So custom web app, I can write name deploy custom app. Okay. So if it's the group name, I'm not dynamic user, dynamic device would be better. Now, how we can enroll the dynamic device? So let's go to devices, guys. So here the device will come which I have enrolled, which is the Windows 10 device. I will select the host name here. So let's go to Windows host. I will go to CMD. So one device you can see it is been enrolled hybrid AD joint. So this is our device name, and let's see the host name to confirm. We can go to the terminal admin, which is our CMD, which is PowerShell as an administrator for Windows 10 device. So you can see also the date where we have installed and what is the user management name. This is the management name we have given the device, which is enrolled on 12th of October. Primary user, this is the dynamic user also you can select, which I am talking about the dynamic user as well as the dynamic device enrollment. So here I am selecting the dynamic device, guys, and because that will be easy to, helpful for us to manage the uh, assignment rules here when we do the as a dynamic query or assignment groups. So guys, let's go here. I will select the host name. So this is the device. Let's confirm that. Or is it X in the remote? Okay, let me go ahead. So I will power of the device. It's not the device. Let me open it from Oracle VirtualBox. So this is the device which I have created, which is the Windows 10 device, Windows client. Let's start this device. Start with Q. So this device will enroll and it's a hybrid AD joined. If you are checking my playlist from the starting, you will come to know that I have created this device and give the name as hybrid AD joined. So please stay tuned. Let's see the device gets opened. So this is the device. This is the hybrid AD joint machine which we have, which will be installing the custom app, and you will see that here we have set up the name. This is hybrid AD joint when we type the host name. So this machine will enroll in our uh, dynamic device enrollment. So let's select dynamic device here. Now here dynamic device members will have to add. So I will write a dynamic membership rule. So here I will select the device type should be device ID also I can write. So these are the different types of, category or the OS version is there. Suppose that the OS version equals to Windows 10, it will gives the value here. So let's me select the rules, select the display name, and that will equals to the device name. So hybrid AD join, which is the device name which I have. This is the hybrid AD join, the device name. You can copy it from here and you can paste it here. So here I will paste. So this is paste. Now here you can also add an expression here. This is the device display name. This is the rule syntax. If you want to second expression, other query, we can validate the rules here and we can add the device. So he it will validate here. Please add the device before validation. Okay. Now you can go on select and it will take some time. Till then, you can see that our website will get live on our Windows 10 device. So this is the URL which I have added. So this will be activated on Windows 10 device, guys. So this is all about our web link edition, how we can add an automated web link deployment works in Indian portal. Thank you for watching.